In the Prophet Islam time, Madinatul Munawwara was a small village there, but the message from there spread. So there's no reason that we cannot spread that message further on. Rather, it becomes easier for travel now with the technology. So from this Medina Masjid, from North Europe to South Africa, and many other, as you are seeing, brothers are doing, they are with you all the time here. And mashallah, they have done almost 30 programs in different localities. Even I was not there. So this message does not need me or you, it is we need, because when you will go on the other side of this dunya to the barzakh and to the day of judgment, when you will look back, only these things, these events, these activities will resonate with you, and you will wish that all other things which you have done will just vanish. You won't be able to see. Rather, sometimes they will be as a source or a means of regret for you. So you want to see these type of activities, your salah, your good works, your traveling in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And by no reason, the people who you are seeing there, they are not like from some other countries, some trained other. They are from here, from your cities, from UK. So you can also partake in there and become a part of this global peace mission, spreading the prophetic light and actually the divine message to not only, as you know, now we have not even limited it to Muslims, but under the banner of Seek to Change, even the 6 billion actually non-Muslim, because previous centuries, when the message was conveyed in a better way, hundreds and thousands of people were entering Islam. But in our time, because we ourselves have lost it really, we are not sure fully, and so it's only 1, 2 droplet here. Someone searches on internet or whatever, they see they come into Islam, because through us actually it's not happening. So this is whole mission for all 8.5 billion people, Muslim and non-Muslim, calling the Muslim to a call of action, and calling the non-Muslim actually to the purpose, the real purpose and message of Islam.